Hey, my lovely people, thanks for joining me today. We have been living in UAE for more than 5 years. We have recently shifted to Abu Dhabi. Earlier, we lived in Dubai. Living outside India, where we don't have all our family and friends, sometimes we feel lonely. So, whenever we find out that our friends are coming home tonight, we get overjoyed. It's always very exciting for us. I am a very enthusiastic person to host my guests. These are actually two single beds, so I'm trying to fill the gap with some mattress covers. I always love welcoming my friends and family home. Here I'm going to share some tips and ideas to prepare for the arrival of guests overnight. By the way, there can be many ways of this arrangement. As soon as I get a call that our friends are meeting tonight, I immediately start preparing the house to host them well. First, I start with the cleanliness and arrangement and then decorate the guest room. Decorating any space with flower pots is an easy option as it's not so easy for us to decorate the walls while living in a rented apartment. Also, it gives a fresh look to any place. Flowers can be fake or real, but they liven up any space. In this video, I am sharing with you all very basic and practical tips for hosting our guests overnight. Since there can be a long list of items that we can arrange for our guests, I keep some condiments in a tray or basket. Keeping them like this makes them look even more beautiful. Here I'm trying to organize these items to make them look better. That's why I'm going back and forth these things again and again. These are some of the essentials that our guests may need. Then I make a quick run to the washroom to see if it needs cleaning because I want to make sure that the washroom is properly cleaned. I also make sure the area smells good. Instead of using some store-bought room fresheners, I like to use essential oils. My trick for a nice smelling washroom is to sprinkle a few drops on the toilet roll and a few drops on hand towel. it's time to organize and decorate the living room where the guests appear first. Always have a basket with you to declutter any area. This is a quick and easy way to collect the items lying around in the living room. I am a tea or chai lover, and I enjoy my afternoon tea every day and sometimes feel a bit nostalgic about my study days, office days. I still remember the days when my father used to give me tea to freshen up while studying. Today I missed my afternoon tea as I was busy cleaning and decorating the house, and now I'm feeling a little tired after all this arrangement. So I'm going to make some tea and enjoy it with my squirrel. However, for her it is milk time. Afternoon tea holds a very special place in my heart. I will keep sharing my afternoon tea stories with you all in upcoming videos. If you like today's video, please subscribe Abode Diaries.